Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to hide text in Microsoft Word from the screen so it won't show when printed. This instantly conceals private notes, answer keys, or internal data layers from your document view, ensuring they stay completely invisible both on your display and on your physical paper printouts. First, open your document layout in Microsoft Word and highlight the specific text paragraph you want to conceal. Look at the top left area of the main navigation ribbon toolbar. Make sure you are on the Home tab and click the small diagonal arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the font command block to open the Advanced Properties panel. A detailed Formatting Properties box will pop up on your screen. Locate the Effects section near the bottom center of the window. Find the Setting checkbox explicitly labeled Hidden. Click to place a checkmark inside it, and click the OK button at the bottom to collapse your text out of sight. Next, to ensure Word never pulls this text into your printer tray, click on the File menu tab in the top left corner and select Options at the absolute bottom of the left sidebar navigation panel. Click on the Display tab located near the top of the Options tracking list. Move your eyes to the bottom section headed Printing Options. Ensure the box next to Print Hidden Text is completely unchecked and click OK to save your preferences. To toggle your hidden text layout back into view on your screen whenever you need to edit it, simply go back to the Home tab and click the Show/Hide Paragraph symbol icon, or press Ctrl+Shift+8 simultaneously. And that's it. Your invisible text layering configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.